Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert web page into PDF in Chrome browser. Sometimes people would like to convert the web pages into PDF file for some reasons. In this situation, how they can convert as a PDF file? Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. I would like to convert this web page into PDF file. You have to go to Google. Then you have to search the Web to PDF Chrome extension. You have to search this. Then you have to click on the Chrome Web Store. Here you have to click on the Web to PDF. You have to install this extension by click on the Add to Chrome. That's it. So once added, you have to close this tab. Then again go to the page what you would like to convert the web page into PDF. Then you have to click on the extension. Here you have to click on the Web to PDF. The pop-up window will be open. Here they are provided some options. The full page, page element, article. So which one you have to convert into PDF file. So I would like to convert the full page. You have to click on the full page. So it will be generating the PDF file. So once completed, it will be provided the preview and you can click to download the PDF file. That's it. So here it will be downloaded. You have to click on this. PDF file has been downloaded this path. So you can check the exact pages convert as a PDF file. So in this way, you can convert the web page into PDF file by using Chrome browser.